Let's take the next question. Question number 5. I guess this is the last question for your this chapter. Shah, Lodha, and Dhole were the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4 is to 3 is to 3. So the old ratio is given to be in the question is 4 is to 3 is to 3. Okay. I'll just underline that. Acha guys, you are able to hear me guys. Correct? चलिए अरे चलो भाई एट टाइम दिस स्टाइलस ना ये मार्कर जिसमें मैं लिखता हूँ कभी नाराज हो जाता है, कभी चलता है, कभी नहीं चलता है. बोलो. नाउ हैव अ लुक एट दिस. देखो अभी ये चलने को तैयार नहीं है. हाँ अभी आया. ओके. So that's my old ratio. So I'm going to write here old ratio. The balance sheet on 31st of March 2019 is given to you. Liabilities, we have creditors. That's liability, bills payable, liability, and we have the capital account. So guys, this will be going in the partner's capital account credit side. Cash account, we are going to make a separate account if we have any transactions in cash. So if you are paying any amount in cash, or if you are like getting any amount in cash, so we'll make this cash account. Otherwise there is no need for us to make this cash account. In admission chapter we used to compulsorily make one, because he used to get the amount of capital in cash, and quite possible he might get the amount of goodwill also in cash. So we used to make a separate account for it. But in this chapter, retirement, and that chapter, I'm not going to make the cash account if there is no transaction. Okay. So as of now, I'll just say it is going in the asset side. Correct. Then I'm having debtors. That's asset, 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 and asset. Okay. The next one, guys. On 1st of April 2019, goodwill is to be valued at the average profit. Guys, this goodwill ka calculation now you are going to like do it orally. This goodwill ka calculation we are going to do it orally, because we are like so well versed with it. Let's try. Goodwill is to be valued at an average profit and loss for the last 5 years, which are as follows. Okay. So 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 profits are given to you. 35, 20, 30, 20, 25. So these are all the profits of mine in the last 5 years. So what do I have to do? I have to take an average of it. I will be taking an average of it, guys. And if I am taking an average of it now, okay, so I'll get the average profits. And they are telling me that the goodwill is to be valued at an average profit. So kya karna? We just have to take the average, and done. That's the goodwill amount. Correct now. And this goodwill is the goodwill of the whole firm, because this profits is of the whole firm now. So whenever you calculate the goodwill, you get the amount of goodwill of the whole firm. But the retiring partner will take his share. The partner who goes out of the business, he will be taking his share. So we're definitely making one working note for it. Okay. Chalo, let's go ahead now. Computers are to be depreciated by 10%. So we'll have a tick mark on computer. We have an adjustment. Furniture is to be revalued at 27,500. So I will be having a tick mark on furniture too. They are telling me the next one, vehicles is to be appreciated by 20%. So this vehicle will be having an adjustment. RDD is no longer necessary. Guys, RDD is no longer necessary. So can I say there is an adjustment in debtors too? So what we have to do, we have to write back the RDD. So this 1000 I have subtracted earlier. Now I have to add it back. We are having a doubt that this data might not pay us, but these data are good. They are paying us back. So RDD is to be written back. Shah and Dhole will share the future profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. So guys, can I say the old ratio is given to me and the new ratio is given to me? So what do I have to do? I'll make a working note for it. Correct? And then I'll get the gain ratio and all that. I'll do that with you. it was decided that goodwill should not appear in the books of the new firm, and the amount payable to the loaner is to be transferred to his loan account. So we are not going to pay any amount in cash. So guys, I'm not going to make the cash account. It's again a very simple question. The goodwill has been raised in the business and the goodwill is written off. So guys, goodwill raise bhi karna, write off bhi karna. And you do know that we are raising it in the old ratio and we are writing it off in the new ratio. So thus we have to make only one working note. That's my goodwill. And that's the only difficult point in this whole question. The other points are like exactly, same as we have done in the previous questions. And guys, after doing that admission chapter, this chapter would be like a cakewalk for you. You just have to like revaluation, though it's exactly the same, correct? The only one thing that you need to remember is in admission, one partner is coming in the business, and in the retirement, one partner is going out. So the only difference between these two chapters is just that goodwill is coming in the business. Here, the goodwill is going out of the business, and in admission, capital was coming in the business, and in the retirement, capital is going out. That's it. They are asking me to prepare the profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, and the balance sheet of the new firm. Guys, you can say P&L adjustment account. You can also say it revaluation. Generally, I write generally I write revaluation account. But they are telling me to prepare a P&L adjustment, so I'll say P&L adjustment. Correct? Eh? Chalo, let's get started with this. So the very first thing, I'll be making a working note for goodwill. I always do the calculation for goodwill. Working note number 1, working note number 2, and then afterwards I start with the posting and all that. So let's get this done now at one shot. So that working notes are done. So directly we'll have to keep on doing the sum and then totaling and done. So let's take this working note number 1, guys. Just a second. Okay. Calculation of goodwill. Correct now? Now. They are given me the information that the old ratio in the question is 4 is to 3 is to 3, and the new ratio in the question they are telling me is 2 is to 1. Guys, am I correct? I guess, because I don't remember the amount, so I'll just see. Just a minute, I'll just make this adjustment. Yeah, now it is clear to me. Yeah, 4, 3, and 3, and the new ratio they're telling me is 2 is to 1. Here it is. So goodwill has to be raised and goodwill has to be written off. So, Mr. The profits over here. So I'm gonna add it up. So the calculation of goodwill will be the average profits, guys. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna add all the amounts. Chaliye. What are the amounts that I'm having? There are many amounts with us. No, I don't require this much here. Okay, have a look at this. 35,000, 20,000, 30,000. So 35,000 over here. 30,000. 35, 20, 30. 20 and 25. 20 and 25, no? Correct? And we are going to divide it with 5 because we have 5 years given in the question. Guys, 35 plus 25, is it 60? 60, 70, 80, 130 is the total 1,30,000. Divide by 5 years that we have, and 130 divided by 5 is said to be, so I'll take the calcina. Mm-hmm. Look at this big calcium, no? 130. So 1,30,000 divided by 5. I'm getting the answer as 26,000. So my goodwill amount is 26,000. So I'm gonna raise goodwill 26,000. I'm gonna write off goodwill 26,000. Correct? Eh? And guys, I think I will be having an amounts in points this time. I guess I'm not sure about it. Here it is. So firstly, I'm gonna raise my goodwill, and raise will be in the old ratio, guys. That is 4 is to 3 is to 3, and write off will be in the new ratio. And new ratio is 2 is to 1. Yeah, I will be getting the amounts in point, but that's okay. Okay, what is the journal entry for that? Goodwill account debit to old partners account, right? And here old partners means all the three partners, guys. Okay, and I am having the partner's name as Shah, Lodha, and Dole. LSL, no, SLD. Capital account, capital account. Mhm. The capital account over here, right? AC, AC, AC. And here it is 26,000, guys. So 26,000. अरे यार, अच्छा ये आज थोड़े मूड में नहीं है चलने के. So it's 26,000, and I'm going to divide this 26,000 in the ratio. 26 divided by 10, na guys? Multiply by 4. That's 10,400. So here it will be 10,400. And 2,600 multiplied by 3, na guys? That's 7,800 each. So here also 7,800, 7,800. Guys, this calculation we have done earlier also. Goodwill is to be raised and goodwill is to be written off. Correct now? Now goodwill is to be written off in the ratio of 2 is to 1. So guys, we will be dividing a goodwill, dividing this goodwill only in the only in the new partners. And can I say the new partners are Shah and Dole? So Shah's capital account will be debited, Dole's capital account will be debited to goodwill account because goodwill is written off. The amount is 26,000. Guys, the ratio will be 4 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 3 upon 10. Correct now? And then this will be divided in the ratio of 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. 2 third and 1 third now. So 26,000 divided by 3, I'm getting the answer as 8667. 8667, and then I'm going to multiply it with 2. I'm getting the answer as 7333. So Shah is going to share the amount of goodwill while writing off as 17,333, whereas Dole is going to get 8,667, guys. Correct. So this is your working note number one, calculation of goodwill, and I have told you the journal entries also. And whenever we are doing, I am making a point that I pass the journal entries, and this is exactly same what we have done in our previous questions. Basically, this is a very classic question whereby you are calculating the goodwill also, and you are doing the accounting treatment when the goodwill is not bought in cash. So raise is also done, and written off is also done. Okay, and you do know that how this functions, that the party who is retiring, she should or he should get the amount of goodwill, so he should or she should be credited, so we are crediting it. Correct? Yeah. Okay, let's come ahead now. Let's come ahead. The question, this here it is, question number 5. This is unsolved question, so I'll write the question number 5 over here, and you do write the page number also, so that you'll know that on what page number you have to search this question for. Creditors 20,000, no adjustments, bills payable 4,000. So 20 and 4. So creditors over here 20,000. So creditors in the balance sheet. इसको क्या हो गया? I guess इसको बंद करके फिर से चालू करना पड़ेगा. थोड़ा नाराज हो गया ये. Hmm. Just a second, guys. Okay, you can make the format and we can do this question together. We both can do this question together. आपने formats बना लिया होगा तो आप मेरे साथ में start कर सकते हैं इसको. Okay? चलो, let's proceed. I do have to take out that page. Hello. अच्छा, I am audible, correct? Okay. Thank you. So here it is. So I'm having creditors and bills payable 20,000 and 4,000. So your bills payable will be done on the credit side, like this liability side. I do not have any adjustments in the outer column, and I do not have any adjustments on the bills payable too. So that's also going in the outer column. That's 4,000. Now what happened to this pen? चलो भाई पेन, चलो चलो चलो. Okay, देखो ये अभी आज पेन भी थोड़ा तकलीफ दे रहा है. 4,000. Next one, capitals, 45, 35, 27. So we're going to make a capital account, 45, 35, 27. And this is the partner who is retiring, guys. अरे यार. So sorry. Okay. The next one they're telling me, cash account 9,000. That's going in the balance sheet. Here it is. Cash account. There's no adjustment on it. So directly in the outer column, guys. Daters 10,000 and RGD we have. So daters 10,000. Okay. Furniture 25,000. We do have an adjustment on this also. Computers 43,000. And vehicles 45,000. So that's my posting. Now, adjustment. Quickly to the adjustment. The very first one they are having, that is my goodwill. So guys, goodwill we are gonna raise the goodwill and we're gonna write off the goodwill. I have the journal entry with me. Also, with the help of the journal entry, I will be posting over here. So goodwill 26,000 is to be raised. So goodwill account 26 goodwill. This will be going in the asset side, guys. Okay, and this is divided between Shah, Lodha, and Dole. 10,400, 7,800, 7,800. So the partner's capital account has been credited by this goodwill. So here I'm going to write by. Correct? Achha, I do not require this. So goodwill has been raised. The partner's capital account are being credited. Partner's capital account on the credit side. Now the goodwill has to be written off. So goodwill is to be subtracted from the asset side. Correct? And these two partners will be debited. So 17,333 will be debited, 8,667 will be debited, and 26,000 is to be credited. So guys, have a look over here. So I am going to debit this two partners, SLD. So here I'm going to write to goodwill. Correct. Okay. And goodwill is to be subtracted, guys. Do not forget that because we are writing it off. So let's write return off. So your return off, you will be writing 26,000 and you're going to subtracting it, guys. So yahan pe the amount of goodwill will not appear in the books of accounts. It came at 26,000 and it is like written off at 26,000. So here the amount is 0. Correct na, guys? So goodwill came and goodwill written off. Acha, this pen now it is giving me troubles. 26,000. Now let me do one thing. Let me pause this and yeah, so that's done now. I guess it should not create a problem now. So goodwill is to be raised and written off. So guys, 26,000 I'm going to subtract it from here. So this is done now. Nil amount. Correct? That's been taken care of. Now the next one that we have is our computers are to be depreciated by 10%. Correct? Okay. So computers are to be depreciated by 10%. So that will be going in my computers account. Less depreciation at the rate 10%. So guys, is it 4,300? And the second effect will be going in my revaluation account, or you can say profit loss adjustment account, because they are telling me to use this word. Correct? The next one. Furniture to be revalued by revalued at 27,500. So furniture, I'm having the value as 27,500, and here it will be appreciation or revaluation is 2,500, guys. And this furniture is to be credited with this amount by why am I writing 7 again and again? It's 25. Correct? Vehicles are to be appreciated by 20%. So vehicles will add the amount, add appreciation at the rate 20%. Guys, is it 9,000? And this amount has to be credited over your buy vehicles, 9,000. $2,500 and 9,000 over here. RDD is no longer necessary. So guys, can I say I have to write back the RDD? So I'm going to add this RDD. This becomes 10,000 and I'm going to add this back. So revaluation account or the profit loss adjustment account will be credited by RDD 1,000. Okay. Shah and Dholi, we share the profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. That is the new ratio, and that has been taken care of while we are doing the goodwill. Okay. It was decided the goodwill is to be not goodwill should not appear in the books of accounts of the new firm, and the amount payable to the Lodha is to be transferred to his loan account. So, guys, they are just telling me that you have to do the calculation of goodwill. That has been taken care of, and they are telling me that whatever the amount we are payable to Lodha has to be transferred to the loan account. So, guys, let's calculate what is the amount that I have to pay to Lodha. But before that, I have to close my profit and loss adjustment account. That's my revaluation account. 4,300. Definitely, I'm having a profit now over here. And how much is that, guys? I am using a calci. You are not allowed to use it. So 12,500 minus 4,300. That's 8,200, guys. And this profit is going to be, this is also called as revaluation profit, na guys? This is going to go to Shah, Lodha, and Dhole in the ratio of 4 upon 10, 3 upon 10, and 3 upon 10. So 8,200 divided by 10 multiplied by 3, 8,200. Huh? 8,200 divided by 10. I'm going to get the answer as 820 multiplied by 3, 2460. So this is going to get 2460. This is going to get 2460. And I have to multiply it with 4. It's 3280. 3280, 2460, guys. This is going to be going in my credit side of the account by PNL adjustment 3280 and 2460. Correct? See, we know about this, so we need not go in detail. We have done a plenty of questions, so this is just directly we are closing this. And now what are we gonna do is like first transfer the amount of Loda to the loan account. So how much do I have to pay Mr. Loda? It's 7,800 plus 35,000, 2460 plus 7,800 plus 35,000. So that's 45,260. And this amount is going to be posted to the loan account of Mr. Loda. Correct? Yeah? Guys, is this loan a liability? Of course, it's a liability because you need to pay it to him. So here you're going to write Loda's loan account. Mr. Loda has to pay me a loan. So Loda's loan account. And we'll get the balance of capitals over here now. Guys, is it 45,000, 50, 55,000, 58,680? Correct? 58,680. I'm taking total of S. Now I'll take total of let's do this and get over with now. It's 58,680 minus 17 triple three. That's 41,347. And now with this one. 27 plus 7,800 plus 2,460. I'm getting answer 37,260. Subtract this with 8,667, 28,593. Guys, calci is not allowed to you, so please do the calculations without the calcis. $69,940. That's mine. Capital account. That's it, guys. And now my balance sheet should tally, na? It would tally. Don't worry about that. Because we have done each and every calculations very properly, systematically, and correctly. And 4,300. This is 38,700. If I'm correct. This will be 43,000. Yes, 38,700. So guys, now let's take the total of this. It's 38,700 plus 27,500 plus 54,000, guys, plus 9,000 plus 10,000. So my balance sheet should tally at 139,200. So 69,940 plus 45,260 plus 24,000. And yup, it does tally at 139,200. This is my total amount for the balance sheet. This is my total amount for the balance sheet. Guys, you are not going to take the screenshot. I would want you to write this. So you are going to pause it, write it, and then go ahead. So that's my question number 5, guys. Here it is. This is my very first account. That's my profit and loss adjustment account. Question number 5. You have to pause it and write it. Correct? Eh? I am moving forward. Okay. This is the question again. Retiring partner. Pause it, write it, and the balance sheet over here. Just have the full screen at one shot. Pause it and write it. You are not going to take the screenshots. And this is the thing. And you are going to upload that snaps, whatever you have written, to me, so that I'll come to know how many of you are writing. So guys, that's it, the question number 5, and with this we are done with this chapter. Okay. Now only the solved examples are remaining. I have done all the unsolved questions. So let's get started with the solved one, and we are going to write it together. So I'm not going to give you the screenshots and all that, snaps and all. But at the end of the question, I will just give you guys, like, this is the thing, who haven't yet written it, they can pause and write it. Okay. Sure. Let's get started with the solved examples questions now.